Good morning, class. My name is Mr. Dunlap, and today our lesson is going to be on geography. Slide. So, when we're talking about geography, what is geography? How do we define it? Is it important? And why is it important? Braylon, what is geography to you?
From what I've heard, geography is the study of the earth.
The study of the earth, yes, I like that, that's part of it. So, how do we define it? We define geography as our relation, human relation to our environment. So, it's our relation to the earth, just like Braylon's saying. So, what is our relation? It's how we survive, it's how we live. Next slide. My definition of geography is the study of places and the relationships between people and their environment, as we just talked about. Geographers explore both the physical properties of Earth's surface and the human societies that spread across it. Geography is the science that deals with Earth's surface. And people who study the Earth are called geographers. And the geographers are interested in the physical aspects like mountains, rivers, oceans, and so forth, and deserts. Next slide. Can I get a volunteer to read this next slide? Yes, Braylon.
So, an example of geography is the climate and natural resources of the land. Or it could be a relative location where a place is described relative to its environment or its connection to other places. The 5 themes of geography are: number 1, location.
Location.
Number 2, place.
Place.
Number 3, human-environment interaction.
Human-environment interaction. Let's stop right there because that's a really important one. We talked about it a little bit. So human-environment interaction. So it's how we as humans interact with our environment. Can anybody give me an example of human interactions with our environment?
Planting things and even breathing from the plants.
Yes, I like that. That's a good answer. Planting things. We're interacting with our environment. Breathing. We're breathing. That's how we live. The oxygen that's in our environment. Hunting. Making things. All these different things are how we interact with our environment. So, class assignment. Instructions. Label the map with 7 continents and the 5 oceans. So, where would Antarctica be? Antarctica. Getting close. You're cold.
Would it be right here?
Antarctica would be up here.
Right here?
Yes.
But I always thought Antarctica was somewhere down here.
The Arctic Ocean, maybe?
Oh.
So where would Africa be?
If Antarctica is here, Africa would be right here?
Yes. So where's Europe?
Here?
A little bit more to your left. Other way. Now a little bit over to your right. That's Europe. Now go down. That's Europe right there. That's Europe right there. Yes.
This small thing?
No. Let's pause. So, where are the 5 oceans?
The 5 oceans are the Pacific Ocean right here.
Pacific, yes.
The Southern Ocean right here.
Well, the Southern Ocean, let's go down a little bit.
Right here.
That's the Southern Ocean, yeah. So show me where the Atlantic Ocean is. The Atlantic Ocean, that'll be, see, if the globe was round, right? If the globe was round, that'll be the Pacific Ocean. That's part of it. So the Atlantic Ocean will be, bring it over here near the Americas. That's the Atlantic Ocean here. The Indian Ocean, where's the Indian Ocean? The Indian Ocean will be right around here in between Africa, right, yes, that's the Indian Ocean over there. Yes. The Arctic Ocean. Yes, the Arctic Ocean is up here. And where's the Southern Ocean? Good. Southern Ocean is down there. Next slide. Now, for our class assignment for our diverse learners. You'll place the labels on the correct continent. So, where would North America be?
I think North America would be right here.
Yes. Okay, show me where South America would be. So put it on the actual continent button. Yes. Africa, where would Africa be? Okay, and Europe would be here. Asia would be right there. And Australia there. Next slide. Good job. Pause. Okay.
What are some examples of physical characteristics?
Good question. Some examples of physical characteristics would be mountains, oceans, waters, land, trees, anything nature, anything anything natural, anything made by nature. Any other questions? Yes, Braylon.
What are two major ecoregions found in the United States of America?
Two ecoregions?
And also, what is an ecoregion? I've never heard of it.
Okay, pause. Okay, class. What is an ecoregion? I'm glad you asked that question. That's part of our check on learning. So, kids, get out your notebook and a pen. We're going to write down these questions, and we're going to answer them. You have available to you your textbook. You have all the material around the classroom. We also have the internet. To wrap up our lesson, what are some examples of physical characteristics? What are some examples of human characteristics? And what are two major ecoregions found in the United States of America? We'll do that for homework. So make sure we copy that down too. Our assessment. Write this down as well. This is going to be our quiz for today. Number one, ask students. Well, we'll ask, what is the ecoregion and where would you prefer to live and why? Good. And that's the end of our lesson. And thank you. And have a good day.